Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. I am so excited today because I got Becky G makeup. So Becky G did a collaboration with Colourpop and I'm so excited to try out her new palette. So this is the palette. It's called Salvaje Wild. It brings 12 shades and look at this palette, how pretty. It is beautiful. I love it. So I actually got this foundation stick also from Colourpop and I want to try it out too. I got the shade medium 110W and I hope this shade is good enough for me. Maybe, I don't know, we'll see. And I'm just super excited to try this out. And I also got a eyeliner, but what I am mainly focusing on in this video today is the Becky G palette, and I'm so excited to try it out because I love Becky G. I love her music. She is lit. So let's get right into the video, guys. Let's try out the foundation first. So let's try the foundation stick. This is the shade. That's what it looks like. I think this might be just fine. So as you can see, I have a lot of dark spots right now. Ooh, well, it feels very creamy, that's for sure. It feels very creamy. And this makeup is very affordable, by the way. That's what I like about Colourpop. I mean, the palette was only like 18 bucks, and then this foundation was about, it was less than $10, probably like 7 or 9 or something. I actually love how this foundation feels. It feels so creamy and so nice. I would say it is pretty full coverage. As you can see, it kind of did cover up a little bit of my dark spots. Okay, so final thoughts for this foundation. I absolutely love it. I really like how it blends and I like that it is full coverage because it definitely did cover up my imperfections and my dark spots and all that stuff. So I love that foundation. So are you guys ready to see the palette? Ta-da! How pretty! Look at those shades. I love it. I love it so far. I mean, just the colors, like the selection is amazing. There's some blues in there, some neutrals, some pink, some shimmery shades for the holidays now, the golds. I just love it. I love it so far. So now let's try the eyeshadows on the eyes and I'm so excited. I can't wait. So I'm gonna start with Carmelo and I'm just gonna put that on my crease. Okay, so I put that shade Caramelo on my crease, just kind of blended that to make it look just like a nice brown for the other colors that are coming that I'm super excited about. So now I'm gonna use a Libra, that nice blue, and this one is very pigmented, so I have to be careful, but I'm gonna put that just on my crease. So I don't know how I feel about how this is turning out, but I will fix it. Now I'm just taking a brush and just kind of blending everything, so mostly like in the inner corner of my eye, just blend that, and then under my brows. Now I'm gonna use this shade Estrella, so I'm gonna just pack Estrella on my lid. You see, like, that is pretty. The shimmery shades are beautiful. This shade is giving me holiday vibes right now. I love it. So this is what it's looking like so far. I actually really like that shade, the shade Estrella. It's nice. Just to make sure that I don't lose the blue, I'm just gonna add a little bit more on the crease. But I don't want to cover the golds. I just want to put it like in the outer corner. Okay, so now I'm gonna use this blue. Wow, that blue is super pigmented, and I'm gonna use it down here. So here's what my eyes are looking like. I think once I put eyeliner and do my lashes, it's gonna look really, really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so this eyeliner I really like. It's very creamy and it's very strong. The color is very strong, very nice, and I love it. And actually it really made my eyes pop a lot more. So now I'm gonna finish my face makeup and I'll be right back with my final thoughts and my final look. Alright guys, so here's the final look. What do you guys think? Now I like the eyes. I actually do like the eyes. I think the shadows look really well together. I love the blue in the bottom, and also that shimmery shade is like my favorite. So final thoughts about the palette. I really like this palette. The color selection is beautiful. I love the colors that she put in this palette. I mean, you have the mattes, you have the shimmery colors, you have some nice nude colors, you have some reds, some blue. Like, it's really nice. I love the theme, like Mexican theme, like kind of like Dia de Muertos, like all that. So I really like that, and it's very affordable. It's very affordable. It was only like $18, so I mean $18 for 12 shades that are very nice, very pigmented, and for a big mirror that you can use when you travel. I mean, I really do like this palette. I really do. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. And if you like this video, then I'm sure you're gonna like these videos as well, so make sure you go ahead and click on one of those videos. Bye guys, love you.